Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance, how to report an accident. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to report an accident to progressive, first what you need to do is ensure safety first. Check for injuries or call 911 if anyone is hurt. Move to your safe location if possible, roadside or parking area, and turn on hazard lights to alert other drivers. The next is to simply gather your information at the scene, like other driver's name, phone number, address, insurance company and policy number, vehicle details, witnesses, photos and notes, and police report. The next is to contact Progressive by simply heading over to your browser and on the search bar type in organization.Com, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, tap on the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen, then tap on Explore Product. Then once you're inside here, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down and you'll find an option that says here you'll see the help on the road option, and if you are in an accident option, simply select that. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is head over to the home page and tap on Contact Us, and either you can call on the number for the roadside help or the given number, or simply tap on See More Contact Options. And then what you need to do here is simply start a claim. To do it, tap on the Send Email option or Chat Now option to chat with an agent. Then simply tap on Select Submit and type on roadside assistance, and here fill up the details like your name, and once done, simply tap on submit. Then Progressive will provide a claim number once your report is processed. Use this number for all communications about repairs, reimbursement or updates. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.